We'll guide you through how to request files on Dropbox. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to Dropbox.com, log in to your Dropbox account if you're not already signed in. Once you're on the homepage, look at the left-hand sidebar and click on the Files tab. From there, you'll see a button labeled File Requests on the left. Click on it to proceed. Now, you'll see an option to Request File. Click on this button to start setting up your file request. You'll need to fill in a few details. First, give your file request a name that describes the files you're asking for. This helps the recipient know what you're looking for. There's also an option to add a deadline if you want the files by a certain date. After that, you can choose a folder in your Dropbox where these files will be saved. If you don't select a folder, Dropbox will create a new one for you. Once you've filled out these details, click Next. Now, you'll be prompted to send the request. You can enter the email addresses of the people you want to request files from, or you can copy a link and share it with them directly through your preferred method, like email or messaging apps. Once you've sent out your file request, you'll be able to track who has uploaded files and when they did it, right from the File Requests page. It's a seamless way to gather all the files you need in one place without any hassle. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.